Epoxy charcuterie boards are one of the most profitable and beginner-friendly products you can sell. In today's video, I'll walk you through 7 practical ways you can start making money from epoxy charcuterie boards. First place to start: online handmade marketplaces. Sites like Etsy, Amazon Handmade and Art Fair are already full of shoppers specifically looking for custom handcrafted items, and charcuterie boards are one of the top trending kitchen gifts. Here's what makes this powerful: you get access to a massive audience without having to build your own website right away. Use clear product titles like Black Walnut Epoxy Charcuterie Board. Add SEO-friendly keywords like housewarming gifts, wedding gifts, or garment cheese boards. Upload 4 to 6 high-quality photos, including close-ups of the resin detail and wood grain. Offer multiple sizes and customization options. Start with 1 or 2 listings and let the customer review start building your reputation. Over time, these platforms can become consistent income streams. Next, let's take it offline. Local craft fairs, farmers markets, and artisan shows are gold mines for handmade epoxy artists. Why? Because people love to touch and feel your product in person, and charcuterie boards really shine when you see them up close. Here's how to maximize your booth. Bring a range of designs, some neutral, some bold. Offer small and large boards to fit different budgets. Let people handle them to feel the smoothness of the resin. Share your process because customers love hearing the story behind the board. Even if you only make a few sales, these events are perfect for building your local following and collecting emails for your future newsletter. Offer custom and personalized boards. Offering custom boards lets you charge more while creating one-of-a-kind products. You can personalize names, initials, or dates with laser engraving. Custom resin colors like blue ocean swirls, smoky black or gold flakes. Wood type like black walnut, maple or olive wood. Wedding themes or anniversaries. The beauty of personalization is that people are willing to pay more for something that feels tailored just for them. It also opens the door to upselling like matching coasters or serving trays. Don't forget to showcase past custom pieces on social media and ask happy clients to leave reviews or tag you in photos. Let's zoom in on a niche that is crazy profitable: the wedding gifts and event market. Charcuterie boards are an ideal wedding, engagement, or housewarming gifts. They are personal, functional, and look amazing in a new home. Here's how to target this market. Use set terms like bride and groom gifts, engagement gifts, or custom wedding board. Create style product photos where you put the board on a wedding table with champagne or roses. Add gift wrapping options or a handwritten note with a couple's name. Offer gift bundles like board plus chief knife set plus care oil. If you really want to go deep, partner with local wedding planners, photographers, or bridal shops and offer commission-based referrals. This strategy is perfect if you want to expand without managing all the selling yourself. You can partner with local home decor shops, garment food stores, or wineries and let them display your boards for a commission or wholesale price. Benefits: they already have working traffic. Your boards match the existing aesthetic. Store owners can explain your craft to buyers. You don't have to fulfill each order yourself. Bring samples, business cards, and a short bio explaining your process. Local stores love supporting local makers, especially when the product is high-end and handmade. Now, let's talk visibility. Building an active Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest account helps you showcase your designs, attract followers, and build relationships with future customers. Here's what works. Time-lapse videos of your epoxy pours, before and after shots of raw wood to finished board, tutorials and care tips like how to clean your epoxy board, polls asking followers to vote on your next design. Tag happy customers and ask them to share photos. When someone falls in love with your work on Instagram, they are more likely to buy or recommend you. It also opens the door for collaboration with influencers or other creators. Finally, one of the most exciting and scalable ways to monetize your resin crafts: teach what you do. You can start a YouTube or TikTok channel sharing unboxings of your favorite epoxy tools, step-by-step charcuterie board tutorials, resin mixing ratios and color pigment tips, mistakes to avoid when sanding or finishing, behind the scenes studio setup tours. Not only do this video bring value to your audience, but over time, you can monetize through ad revenue, affiliate links to resin gear, driving traffic to your own store, selling digital courses or workshop access. It takes consistency, but creators who teach epoxy techniques often earn more from education than product sales. It's a powerful way to scale and build a loyal fan base around your brand. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.